guys and welcome to the Invest. Today we are in a Volvo V70. This particular model has a 5-cylinder and it has 209 horsepower. Huh? And this car is out of 2004. It's a little bit old beast, but it performs really good and everything works perfect. The interior, it is a very luxury interior and everything is on. So the leather steering wheel, the leather handbrake, the leather seats, they are really comfortable. And this is a station, so you have a lot of space in this car. So yeah, I'm really curious about this car, how fast it is from 0 to 100. And if you like this video, please check out our other videos and also subscribe to the channel if you like it. And see you guys on the channel. Also, if you have any questions about this car or another car or something in particular, let us know in the comments down below or leave us a message on Damfest Instagram. Yeah, so let's find out how fast it is from 0 to 100. This car is so smooth. It works perfect. So this is the second attempt of this 2004 Volvo V70. what a great car. This car is really fast and it feels a lot quicker than I thought it was. The shifts are very natural and yeah, this is a very nice car.
Je moet doorwerken.
Ja, maar